Buddy's Bouncy Ball. Buddy the dog had a bright red ball, round and shiny, not too small. He bounced it once, then gave a bark and chased it laughing through the park. The ball rolled fast beneath a tree. "Wait for me!" barked Buddy with glee. It bounced off rocks, then spun around and landed soft on muddy ground. Buddy jumped, splash, with a happy cheer, mud on his belly, tail, and ear. He shook and wagged, then grabbed his prize, mud on his nose and joy in his eyes. A breeze came in and blew the ball down a hill so wide and tall. Buddy ran, his ears flew high, his tail wagged wild beneath the sky. At last he found it by a tree, nestled in leaves as proud as can be. Home they went, the sky turned gray. Buddy and Ball had a perfect day.